So we're doing systems of mixtures. This one said one is mixing a 30% acid solution and a 60% acid solution to get 6 quarts of a 50% acid solution. Boys, you can't be focusing if you're talking. How many quarts of each solution does he have? So they're saying let X equal one of your solutions, Y is equal to the other. So let's see how we set this up. So on this, so the first thing that you're going to have is, okay, I think I've got, so you're going to have a 30% solution. You're going to have a 50% solution, and I don't think I wrote this right, but it's okay. Is it, no, 60%. 60%. And the final mixture, when they mix it all up, will have a 50%. Right. So the first thing you're going to do is, this is the amount of solution itself. Okay. So here is my solution. And this is the solution with the acids, the acid mixture. So the first thing is, I know that so much of this solution plus so much of this solution is going to equal how many quarts? How many? 6. So one solution plus another solution is going to equal 6 quarts. And then it says, and they're going to mix it somehow to get a 50% acid solution. So here is where you now involve the percentages. Does anybody know what this is as a decimal? 0.3. Yes. So I move it back twice, and it's going to be 0.30, which is 0.3. So we're going to take 0.30 of some amount, plus we're going to have 0.6 of some amount, and that is going to come to 50% of our 6 quarts that we have. I hope I did that right. Yep. That's it. So our solutions, the total of it, no matter what, will equal 6 quarts. And then this is going to have 30% solution, 60% solution, and this is going to be a 50% mixture of the 6 quarts. So then we're going to pull it out. So it's going to be X plus Y is equal to 6. And by the way, on this, let's go ahead and just solve this. What is half of 6? So we can say that that's 3. So, well, I'll go ahead and write it like this. So it's 3x plus 0.6y equals 3. The book, I think, is having you work with decimals. Okay. I'm not really crazy about doing that. So I'm going to keep this one the way it is, but I'm going to move this decimal over to clear the decimal. So I get 3x plus, move this over, and again, this is one of your examples, so you should get this down. And so this is going to equal 6y. And then this decimal is at the end, so when I move it over, I get 30. And then we can proceed in solving it, like normal. So actually, I can even divide by 3, but how do you want to do this one? You tell me what you want to do. Nobody has a clue? You want something to cancel out. So we can either multiply this one through by 3, we can multiply it through by 6, or we can divide the bottom one by 3. What's your preference? Yes, sir.
Multiply the top one by 3.
That's what I think too. Okay. And then we'll worry about the signs in just a second. So we'll take this one and make it 3x plus 3y, and then 3 times that is 18. And the other one we've got 3x plus 6y is equal to 30. Yes, the top should be negative, so it's smaller than this one. So change all the signs. And then this will cancel out. And we've got 6y minus 3y is 3y is equal to 12. So the one solution, the 60% solution is going to have y is equal to 4 quarts. Well, then it should be easy. Yeah, and you just plug it into here, and we can see that the x is going to have how many quarts? The x is going to have 2. Such that if I plugged it in here and here, it should give us that number here, or vice versa, using it up at the top. So let's make sure we got that. And it comes out exactly how we said. 4 and 2. And then I'm going to go over back to this one, because again, you only have 2 problems that you have to do, so I don't want to do those 2 with you. So here's the other example. I'll just put it down here. Okay. So this time it says how much pure bleach and how much of a 20% bleach solution must be mixed to get 4 liters, and the final concentration should be 30%. So again, how much of the solution are we going to have altogether? It's going to be 4 liters. We're going to have 4 liters. So all I know here is my, I don't even think I need to draw this. I'm going to have, oh, well, let me go ahead and put the solutions here. So I can see a 20% bleach. Okay. But what is pure bleach? What is that percent? It would be 100%. So this one's 100%. And then our final concentration is going to be 30%. I have a feeling it's going to have more of this one, since it's closer to 20% than this one. This is going to be probably a low amount. But anyway, on this it's going to be x plus y is equal to our 4 liters. And then here is where we consider the acid. This one's going to have 100%, so this is 1, like if I move that over twice, 1 times x, plus this one's going to be, what's the decimal? 0.2 y. And then this one, you're going to put 0.30 times the 4, times our 4 quarts. And then we're going to pull it out. So x plus y is equal to 4. The bottom one is x plus 0.2y is equal to 3 times 4 is 12, but the decimal comes over once. So 1.2. This one you could move the decimal over, and you could see how it is to work it. Or you could multiply it through by 10. Which do you prefer? Do you want to work it just from there and see what happens? Multiply by 10?
I would move the decimal so you wouldn't have to even the amount both sides, because you just make the bottom one.
Yeah. Okay. So again, this was a 1. So if we multiply it by, I'm going to put it down on the second one. If we multiply, if I move it 1 place over, it's going to be 10x plus that 1 place over is going to be 2y equals 1 place over is going to be 12. Did I do that right? I hope so. And then I'm going to put this top one back on the top. Okay. But I still have to do what to the top one? Nothing's going to cancel out. Do you want to multiply the top one through? Oh, I could have divided this. I could have. Will you guys see that if I divide this through and make it 5x plus y equals 6? Okay. So sometimes you can. I could have divided this bottom one, or I could have multiplied. I would have multiplied the top one by 2, and then change it to negatives. But I'll go ahead and leave the top one alone then, and divide this by 2, which is 5x plus 1y equals 6. And then we're almost ready to cancel out the y's. Which row should we make it negative? The top. So the y's cancel out, and over here we get 2 cancels out. 5x's minus 1x is 4x's divided by 4, divided by 4. X is equal to 1/2 or 0.5. I hope. If I didn't get it right, I didn't get it right. There it is. Okay. But I don't know why I don't think it matters. Oh, they put the 20% solution first. It really doesn't matter. I know that my x is the 100% solution, and then my y is going to be the 20% solution. And so take your 0.5, put it back into this very original one. So 0.5 plus what will give you 4? Who knows? 3.5. So the y is equal to 3.5, which is the 20% solution. Did I get that right? 20%, 20%. Their x is, we got it right. It's the 20% solution. And that is it. So that's how many quarts of the solution there are of each. So you will have 2 problems like that. To me, the trickiest part was making sure you go 30% of your total 4 quarts. And that's it. Questions? No? All right, so no, what you're going to do is so now is kind of a little review. We will have a test sometime next week. You're going to do this number 2, flip it over. You're going to do these 2 now are a review from yesterday, the 3 and the 4. Right now we're going to skip 5 and 6 because we haven't done age problems. We will tackle those on Monday. And here are 2 solution problems for you to do. And that's it. So 2, 4, 5. Can you handle that? That's not that bad. Alrighty. And you can work together.